This is so satisfying. I'm almost done with this living room. And I've got this door here that I actually painted 3 times. But as you can see, this and that clash really bad. It is the same color as my buttons, but I was like, no, this is not happening. So I thought I would just take this blade and just scrape it off. But because I am taking it off so soon after painting it, it's literally just pulling off. Tried painting it gold. The gold did not look good. I created my own material. Do you like my new cape? The longer I sit here, the more I'm liking the plain black door with the white trim. Here's the rest of the room for reference. Let me know in the comments what color you think I should paint it, and follow to see how it turns out.